what is your name and what semester do you study now?
My name is Anusana and you can call me Sona, and I'm studying in childhood education and I'm in 6th semester right now.
Okay, I want to ask some questions about your campus life. So the first one, I want to ask you about what's the challenge in your major?
Challenge is actually when you have to observation in like school, because I'm studying childhood education and I have to observation in kindergarten like that, and it's really take time and then take money too, and it's a little bit challenging. I think about the that's all. Yeah.
And then the last one is how to balance your time between your study and your hangout with your.
Actually, I don't really have a strategy to manage my time between study and hangout, but when I have time to work my homework and just like do it, and then when I have free time, I just call my friend to hang out.
I believe that's all about my questions. So thank you for asking the question and have a great day for me.
Yeah, thank you so much.
What is your name and what your semester is?
Okay, hello, my name is Giazazar and I'm from 6th semester, especially in A class.
Okay, I want to ask you something about your campus life. In your opinion, what internal or external organization, which one is important?
For me, it's internal because since I don't follow the external organization, so I just choose internal. Why? It is because in internal organization, the benefits is also for the organization itself. For example, I'm in the English education department and the organization is SAID, right? Also, because I'm the person in SAID, when I have to work in SAID, it's also for me in the end, like that. So I choose internal because it's kinda have a small scale, so I just don't have to work a lot of things to do, right?
And the last question, what skill do we need to join an organization?
I think the most important skill maybe it's not just for doing organization, but I think it's for university student. The important skill is communication skill, because in communication skill, since you're student in in university, because you're gonna face the KKN, of course in Tarbiyah you're gonna face PPL, which means you're gonna teach in several schools. So communication skill is one of the skill that you need to have in this kind of environment.
Okay, wow, so interesting. Okay, thank you for answering my
You're
question
welcome.
and have a great time for me.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, what is your name and what's your grade in this campus?
Alright, so first, my name is Ahmad, and my grade in campus is, for now, is on 8th semester now.
I want to ask you about some question in campus life. So the first one, what's your favorite lecturer?
There's so many lectures that I like, but the most favorite lecture for now, maybe I could say Mr. Hasbi,
Why?
because his lecture from a major of linguistics and some sort of critical discourse, something like that. You know, you will know in next semester.
Okay, because we are in the last semester, right? And we will be graduated.
I hope.
And what's your motivated to keep the spirit in this until the end?
Alright, so the reason I keep spirit at this major is probably because maybe I like English, that's the first, and then also by the time you will realize that you will get comfortable at this university or at this major especially. And I think the thing that's make me keep get college still right now is because maybe my parents.
So thank you for answering my question and have a great time for me. Thank you.
You know,
Hi. What is your name and which major do you have?
Okay, my name is Torigan Rama and I'm in fourth semester in India.
My name is Nadine Nawatofada and I'm from first semester St. Michael and I'm from the class.
My name is Ratu Halfi and I'm from fourth semester and it was with my friends.
Okay, I want to ask you guys about some questions about the type of life. So the first one is, what's your favorite lecture in PBI?
Lecture. I like the two lecture in TBI when I semester 4. The first one is Miss Vera and the second one is Miss Mia. Because I like the Miss Vera because when I presentation, she give the feedback. I like the feedback and I can improve my public speaking. And then the second one is Miss Mia. I like Miss Mia because when she teach in the classroom, the environment is very nice. And then I'm understanding what she means. Like,
Okay, I think actually I have the same thing with Zahra because my favorite lecture is Miss Vera and Miss Mia because when Miss Vera, I think Miss Vera is really have a good way at the teaching in the class. So we as a student in the class like very enjoy when we do the studying with her. And the second is Miss Nia because Miss Nia is really give so much knowledge to us because Miss Nia Miss Nia also give us the best learning to us.
Okay, for my best teacher or lecture in this college, I choose two. The first one is Miss Vera because she is so unique and so energetic, and the way of she teaching is the best for me. And then the second one is Mr. Mumu. Mr. Mumu is like father for me in this college because he's so kind and yeah.
Wow, I have the insight now. And so the last one is, what's your
My favorite reason is grammar. Because the reason is so helping me to understand better.
My favorite reason is speaking because of speaking I can speak English fluently in my class and I can know more about vocabulary, about pronunciation, and yeah, I think speaking can influence me about my confidence in the class.
I started Latin, but I have to in the class. I like reading, but it's not for this semester, but the last semester reading I like because it's something like the assignment is very easy. But yeah, it's many have assignment in house, you know. And then the second one is speaking, of course, because but I struggle with speaking, but I want to improve my speaking in this semester and I like speaking because yeah, when I first teach when Miss Vera teach me in the third semester.
Okay, thank you guys for